In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly create stunning art within seconds. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I'll share a remarkable hack to help you obtain the finest images. Step 1. Visit Canva's website at canva.com. If you're already a Canva user, simply log in. Otherwise, sign up for a free account. Step 2. Create a design by clicking on Create a Design. You can choose any type of design you want. For instance, I'll select YouTube thumbnail. Step 3. Add the text-to-image app. Navigate to Design Elements, then go to Apps, and select Text-to-Image. You can also search for it in the search bar. Step 4. Use the Text-to-Image tool. This tool has a text box where you describe the image you want to create. You can explore some inspiration options as well. Once you've input your description, select a style, such as photo, drawing, 3D, painting, pattern, or concept art. Step 5. Generate your image by clicking Generate Image. You can input any description you like. Step 6. Select your preferred image by clicking on it, and it will appear on the canvas. You can experiment with various prompts and styles to achieve the desired results. But here's an exciting trick. If you want to fine-tune your prompts, visit the website Lexica Art. This site acts as a search engine for images generated using Canva's stable diffusion software. You can find unique styles and prompts here.